Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Amazon Music account. Logging into Amazon Music allows you to access your songs, playlists, and subscriptions. Whether you are using your mobile device, desktop, or tablets, here's how you do it. First of all, open any web browser on your device. Go to the search icon at the top of the screen and type in music.amazon.com and search. You'll then end up in the official website for Amazon Music. From the home page, go to the top right section and tap on the sign in button. Now on the next page, you'll need to enter your Amazon account's credentials. Input your email address or mobile number linked to your Amazon account. Once done, click on Continue. On the next page, enter your Amazon password. If you don't remember your password, you can tap on the Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset process. But if you remember it, you can type it down in the text box and tap on Sign In. Now, you need to go ahead and enter the security verification code sent to you via email. Go ahead and open up your email inbox associated with the Amazon accounts associated with Amazon account and then enter the code that you received via email. Click on Submit Code once you are done. Right after you do that, accept to the terms and conditions of Amazon Music and you'll then be able to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you can now stream and download music, access playlists, albums and podcasts, and manage your library and account settings. So that is how you can easily log in to your Amazon Music account. You can now enjoy 1 million of songs, curated playlists, and podcasts across all of your devices. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.